Hey guys, Crafty Projects here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some cool, simple snowflakes. So all you're going to really need for this project is some square pieces of paper and a scissor. Now, to start, when you're making this, you're just going to want to take that paper and fold it into a triangle 3 times, each time getting smaller. And once you get to the point where you folded all your edges and they're pretty much symmetrical, all you're going to need to do is take each corner and either round them off or just cut off the edges. And then you want to do that for each corner, pretty much like what I'm doing here. P.S. I'm sorry about the bad camera angles. I really don't have an official camera set up yet. But yeah, basically after you cut off the 3 corners, you're going to want to go into each middle section and either cut triangles into those middle sections, half circles, or half ovals. And you can go over it if you want in other areas, but I suggest just going and doing the corners, each 3 corners, and then after that, each in-between part of the corners that you cut, and it will pretty much end up, if you did it correctly, it should end up looking something like this, or something along the lines. It's not the best snowflake, but I tried. Some of them are better than others, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.